In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCloud storage instead of phone storage. Many of us often find ourselves struggling with limited space on our devices, and switching to iCloud storage can be a game changer. Let me guide you through the steps to make this transition as smooth as possible. First, let's begin by turning on iCloud Sync, which forms the foundation for using cloud storage effectively. Head over to your device's settings. Once there, tap on your name displayed at the top, which will take you to your Apple ID dashboard, followed by iCloud. Here you'll see an array of apps like Photos, Messages, Notes, and iCloud Drive. Simply toggle these switches to the on position to enable them. By doing this, you're setting things up so that all your essential data starts moving to iCloud rather than occupying space locally on your device. Next, we want to optimize the storage on your iPhone. To do this, go back to the settings menu and then find the Photos app. Within this section, you'll find an option called Optimize iPhone Storage. Enable this feature and here's what it does. Your original full resolution photos and videos will be stored safely in iCloud. Meanwhile, smaller space-saving versions will remain on your phone, freeing up a significant amount of space without losing access to your important memories and media. Following this, we're going to utilize iCloud Drive for your files, especially if you handle large documents frequently. Open the Files app on your device, tap on Browse, then iCloud Drive. This is where you can save or move any substantial documents instead of keeping them in local folders on your device. It's a simple and effective way to make sure your files are accessible wherever you go while not clogging up your phone's internal storage. Moving on to our final storage saving measure, let's enable messages in iCloud. From settings, navigate to the Messages app and then tap on iMessage. Here you'll see an option labeled Messages in iCloud. Activate this feature to ensure that all your text messages sync and are stored in iCloud instead of locally on your phone. Not only will this save space, but it also keeps your messages backed up and synchronized across all your Apple devices. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively shift a significant portion of your storage needs from your device to iCloud, ensuring that your phone runs smoothly with ample space freed up for other uses. Embracing iCloud storage is a practical approach to managing your digital assets efficiently, keeping them safe and accessible at all times. Thank you for joining me in today's session, and happy storing.